5.
5 days. And come back to here.
Yep. Yep. I'll be riding with y'all on the way back to the airport too.
Okay, we are very lucky because it's still rain yet, but we're still in rainy season in Costa Rica.
It's what, September and October, right?
Yes, right now. And Abuela City on the right.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you can see the thick clouds. I heard y'all get a lot of flash flooding now?
Yes, like 2 weeks ago, yeah.
Oh no.
The South Pacific.
Are people like supporting each other through it? Because that's really scary. It's a lot.
Yes, so the problem is government help, not too much.
Yeah, fuck the government. I'm in Florida, and with the hurricanes and stuff, it'll be like flooding and wiping out whole towns.
You live in Florida now?
Yeah. And it's, yeah, the government doesn't help. It's just